My name is Stephanie Everfield, and I am FEMA. Hurricane Katrina happened. I was a research chemist at a generics pharmaceutical company here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I had my college roommate and also a great friend of mine who was affected by Hurricane Katrina. Their homes were destroyed. And I wanted to give back because Baton Rouge was my second home, and I wanted to give back to New Orleans and the community in Louisiana. And I was hired based on my background in hazardous materials and hazardous waste. So my chemistry degree in Hurricane Katrina was definitely valuable. So for environmental historic preservation, we work with different program areas for disaster preparedness, hazard mitigation, emergency preparedness, and we make sure that our projects for recovery or mitigation projects comply with historic preservation, environmental laws, executive orders, and regulations. The greatest sense of accomplishment for me as a regional environmental officer would be returning to a community that we assisted in the elevation of homes, and we also assisted with the construction of a new city hall, or the rebuilding of a bridge, and seeing those projects completed. It gives me that great sense of accomplishment that FEMA was able to assist this community in becoming whole again. I am Stephanie Everfield. I'm a regional environmental officer, and I am FEMA.